Hello everyone, today I've come up with a different video that I've never done before. Yes, this is an Indian jewelry shopping haul from Amazon. First I have is this elegant silver shine necklace with pendant from Panache. This fabulous neck piece goes well with ethnic wears. It has a lovely turquoise colored stone pendant at the center with antique silver finish. You can call it greenish blue color sort of. The back chain is also quite sturdy, but the only drawback is that it is quite heavy. Next is another oxidized choker necklace. It is not that heavy, it does look pretty, but this neck piece is not the one that I ordered for. This is completely different from what was shown on the picture. You can check it out on Amazon. I'll leave the links of every piece of jewelry that I'll be showing you. This was described as a choker necklace on Amazon, but this is nowhere closer to that. It is not a choker necklace and it does not even have adjustment hooks. Then I have these three pair of earrings which are quite pretty and go with almost every piece of Indian attire, and I got these for rupees 390. Then I have these stunning pair of earrings with a drop at the bottom and golden finish. Here is the last pair of earrings studded with bright red and yellow stones. What do you think about this jewelry haul? Do you think they are pretty? Do let me know in the comment section below and tell me which piece of jewelry you like the most. I'll leave the links of these in the description box below for you to check them out as well. Take care, bye bye.